Hey guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Shoppirz site. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go. For all the people who are forgetful about closing doors or whose energy dwindles when closing the door, this car door warning light is a lifesaver, as whenever the doors are not properly closed, these lights are turned on, signaling the driver and other people on the road about danger. These lights can easily be stuck to the car doors, and they are available in different colors too. Life can be very pressurizing at times, and this pressure can easily make you forget to keep a check on your vehicle's tire pressure, and this forgetfulness can lead to grave situations too. So to keep you safe from such incidents, this Fobo tire monitoring system is here. Whenever there is some trouble, its alarm, which is connected to car speakers, will be activated. Are you super conscious of the fact that your car should have perfect pristine paint? This airbrush tool is perfect for you. It provides more precision during painting than a brush. It is perfect for experts as well as beginners, because it features two high-quality brushes that make painting seem like a piece of cake. On top of that, apart from cars, you can also use it for art and craft. Are you overprotective about your car and do not trust these washing businesses? This Brush Hero washing system is here to reform your slow bucket and cloth car washing process. This water-powered brush can scrub off even the toughest dirt particles with its rotating power plus. It is not only ideal for cars but also ideal for other household objects. Whenever assessing your car's engine, it is important to have a strong and sturdy hood prop tool which you can completely rely on, because firstly it makes the whole task easy, eliminating the need to hold the hood by hand or with a prop rod, and secondly it ensures your safety. If unfortunately the hood falls on you and damages your head, this hood prop tool is made of high-quality aluminum alloy which will be your forever partner when checking your engine. When loading and unloading stuff from your car's roof, stepping on your car seat is not a good option, and it is harmful too, as you can slip from the seat and break your bones. So that is why this Moki doorstep is a must-have for all the picnic lovers. Its textured surface provides maximum friction and hence improves your grip. Guys, that is all I had for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you most. Bye bye.